Hello, you guys. How have you been? How are you? Thank you so much for clicking to this channel. Welcome back. And if you're a new member, because I can see many of you, 100 plus, you're most welcome. And today I'm making this marble chocolate cake for you because we are at 200 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really don't take it for granted. I appreciate. So, as I've said, it's chocolate marble cake. Let's start. So first I'm starting with butter. It's unsalted butter, 250 grams. It's room temperature. That's unique, Today I want to be here. 250 grams for butter. And as you know, I like using the scale because it's more accurate. And next it's caster sugar, 200 grams. And you know what, guys? It's on a Sunday. It's Easter Sunday. And there's a match going on. Why do I feel like every time I'm doing, a cooking video, it's always about Gunners? I have to, Arsenals are playing. And it's going to be a tough one because it's Arsenal and Liverpool. Hope they won't manu us, I just hope they won't manu us. The good thing is I'm alone. Today I'm watching the match alone. So if we happen to get manued, there's no one who will mock me. There's no one who will laugh at me. So let's continue doing our cake. And I've used the wrong blades for this mixer. These blades are for dough. Where was my mind now? Where was my mind? I like helping my mixer to get all the butter, scraping the butter from the bowl. That's why I'm doing this. Because this bowl is big and the butter inside here is not that much, so. As you can see now, the butter is turning white because you have to mix like maybe 5 or 6 minutes till it turns a whitish. And it's done. Yes. We go in with our eggs, and I'm adding 1 egg at a time. And when I put on the eggs, it's on a medium low speed, or maybe medium speed, not that high speed. It's on medium speed. Here I'm using 4 eggs. After it gets all mixed up, I add the other one. used to these blades. Feel like changing them, you know. And the last one. Our butter is all mixed up, so next I'll add vanilla essence. I'll use 1 tablespoon of it and still continue mixing. Next, all-purpose flour, 260 gram. Perfecto. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. And mix everything together. And with this one I'll have to sieve, and I'm feeling lazy to get another bowl to sieve all the flour at once. So this is what I'm doing, and I know I'll just make a mess. I'll make a mess here, but I'm lazy with cleaning more dishes. It's not that time for doing more dishes. It tend to be busy praying for boys because they're about to get to the field. And this one, I've decided to change my blade. These are the ones for butter. The spiral ones are for dough, but these ones are for butter, so I've changed them. And I'm mixing still on medium speed. I knew my laziness, it's making me now create a mess here. I didn't want to clean more dishes, but now I have to clean my working station. Does it make any difference? It doesn't. It doesn't. Mix. And our butter has come together well. Next, I'll add 80 ml of room temperature milk. This is full fat milk. And I'll add bit by bit. Let me bring you closer. Still on medium speed. Hope you're liking my cooking. Is it cooking? My baking. Yeah. Hope you're liking this video. If you're there and you like it, please subscribe, like the video, comment, say something. And after the milk, I'll leave this butter to run to continue mixing like for around maybe 2 minutes. 2 minutes will be enough. And after 2 minutes, it seems like it's done now. What's going on here? Trying to get this thing out. Yes. Our butter is well mixed or done perfectly. So next, what I'll do, I'll divide this butter in another bowl, not into equal halves. I'll have maybe not into equal halves, no, because I want to add cocoa powder in this small one, and I don't want the brown one to be more, if that makes sense. So is cocoa powder, and I'll add 2 tablespoons. Seed. I'm not a fan of chocolate cake that much, so I don't want more chocolate. That's why the butter that I'm putting chocolate, it's not that much compared to the other one. The other one, the vanilla one, the white one. Yeah, hope you get what I mean. And we mix till everything is mixed up. Yes, it's coming together. Yes, it's all done. Love it. I love it. Yes. We put it aside and we prep our mold. I do oil it with cooking oil. It's the same. With a brush, my mold is 8-inch. After oiling, I'll add some flour. Especially on the sides, because at the bottom I'll put baking paper. So and now here we start working. This is where work comes in. So I'll take 2 equal spoons, one to use for the chocolate butter and the other one to use for the white butter. I'll start with the brown one at the center. Let me bring you closer. and help it to spread, because our butter is not, it's thick, but it's not that thick, it's not runny. So tap 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 to get the bubbles out and to help the butter spread on the mold. Tap 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 tap, get the bubbles out. And with this one, I want more of white than chocolate, so I'll just eat. And our boys are about to get to the field. I don't know if you'll hear the end of this. Hope at the end of it we won't be manured, because I don't know what I'll say at the end of this video. I'm helping it to spread. Yes, as you can see, it's spreading at the bottom. That's what I want. Tap, tap, tap to get the bubbles out. White. And oh Jesus, our boys, let's run. Oh, these guys, please don't manure us, okay? Okay, it's a deal. Saka, who doesn't love Saka? Yes, let's go back to our cooking. And it has officially started. Fingers crossed that tomorrow we won't be the talk, but it's us, it's the Gunners. Let me just shut up, continue with my cooking. And my chocolate butter is finished. This is why now I like, like not dividing them equally. I'll have to add a little bit of chocolate butter, because I have a lot of white one, it won't be enough. So I'll take just a little bit and eyeball my cocoa powder. And mix faster, because I'm supposed to be seated by now. That's done. And this one is a little bit lighter. It's not darker in color like the previous one, but it's okay. It will do the work. It will do the work. And finally, our butter is over. I know it doesn't look, that nice, because I've used less of chocolate butter. And next time I'll do a red velvet one. You guys, you'll see. If you get me to 500 subs, I'll do that one for you. Red velvet cake, a marble one. Yes, get me there. Please subscribe, because I can see there are some people there who have not subscribed. Please subscribe, like, comment about this one. Let me know what you think. All done. That's it. And the white one, all done. Finished. Next, we get a skewer and draw the line. The lines. Yes, the lines. It's creating shape from the bottom. And this is how the cake will be marbled inside. As you can see, can you see? I don't know. Yeah, I think you can. That's a goal! Ooh. Yes, we've started. Let's continue cooking. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. I'm running with my tripod. As you can see, everything to the oven, not everything, sorry. My butter to the oven for 50 minutes. That's a second one. Oh man. Is it early to start celebrating? Is it? Wow. That's how we do it. Yes, our cake is coming on together well. I'm not that happy though, because this is a tough match. Let's see. 50 minutes after. It's not yet. Still, let's have it for 10 more minutes maybe. Yeah, kumeenda venye kumeenda. It has happened the way it has happened. Let's see our cake. After a while, our cake is done and it has cooled down. Don't worry guys, I'm not talking much because it's okay, we didn't get manured, but we're okay. Our chocolate marble cake, it's done, and here is the moment of truth. Wish me luck. Yes. How do you like it? How do you love it? This cake has turned out so well. I love it. You see, this is why I wanted more of white butter than the chocolate butter. Can you see? Because it looks more balanced, but in real sense, I used more of white butter. And because of that, if you've been with me all this till now, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing, liking, comment. Let me know what you think about this cake. I like it. I love it. Yes, this is to be celebrated. This is to be loved, not to be liked. I love it personally. Yes. It's time to have a peace and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. And until next one, bye-bye.